Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the resource. In this video, we're exploring Universal Credit, found at https://www.universal-credit.com. This website serves as a crucial resource for individuals navigating the UK's benefit system. Universal Credit is a payment for people over 18 but under state pension age who are on a low income or out of work. It's designed to assist with living expenses, and understanding the eligibility criteria and application process is essential. The website offers comprehensive information on various aspects of Universal Credit, including who is eligible to claim, how to make a claim, what you might receive, and how your payments are calculated. It also addresses common questions and concerns about managing your claim, reporting changes in circumstances, and understanding your responsibilities as a recipient. Navigating the benefits system can be challenging, and this site aims to simplify the process by providing clear and accessible information. Whether you're researching Universal Credit for yourself or assisting someone else, the website offers valuable resources, including step-by-step guides, explanatory videos, and contact information for further support. Be sure to explore the site's various sections to gain a comprehensive understanding of Universal Credit, ensuring you are well informed about your entitlements and obligations. Understanding the nuances of Universal Credit can be vital for financial stability, and this website acts as a central hub for all the information you need. From eligibility requirements to payment calculations, the website breaks down the complex process into digestible segments, empowering individuals to navigate the system with confidence. Remember to check the website regularly for updates and announcements, as benefit regulations can change. Utilizing this online resource can significantly simplify the process of applying for and managing your Universal Credit claim, providing a valuable tool for those seeking financial assistance in the UK. Hopefully, this overview has been helpful in understanding the purpose and utility of the Universal Credit website. Remember to check out the links in the description below for direct access to the resources mentioned.